Vocabulary. Finished. Done. F. I. Fi. Fin. I. Finne. Sh. Finish. T. Finished. Description. I am finished. No more work. They are finished. The house is not messy. The house is clean. They are finished. Pronunciation. Finished. Repeat. Very good. D. Done. Done. No more work. They are done. Done. Finished. The same. Done. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is the house messy?
No, the house is not messy.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is clean.
Very good. Is the house messy? Respond. Very good. Is it clean? Respond. Very good. Are they finished?
Yes, they are finished.
Are they finished? Respond. Very good. Are they done?
Yes, they are done.
Are they done? Respond. Very good. They're tired and hungry. They're tired and hungry. They're inside. The mother and daughter are cooking. The father is watching soccer on TV. Inside, outside. In, ins, I, inside, inside. They are inside the house. They are inside. Repeat, inside. Very good. They are outside. Out, out, outs, outside, outside. They are outside. Repeat, outside. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they?
They're inside.
Very good. Where are they?
They're outside.
Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. On TV. Remember, on for technology. On the computer, on Facebook, on Twitter. TV? No, on the TV. On TV. So, what are they doing?
They're watching soccer on TV.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are they tired and hungry?
Yes, they're tired and hungry.
Very good. Are they tired and hungry? Respond. Very good. Are they inside or outside?
They are inside.
Very good. Are they inside or outside? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They're cooking.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What is the father doing?
The father is watching soccer on TV.
Very good. What is the father doing? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Is he inside or outside?
He is outside.
Very good. Is he inside or outside? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He's playing soccer with the boys.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good.